Today I want to share with you my favorite mount or mount adapter for my Insta360 One R and GoPro or any action cameras. So you may ask why it is my favorite mount or adapter. The answer is because with this, I can get or switch multiple angles on my maxi-scooter with ease. For example, I have several mounting locations on my maxi-scooter for action cameras. And if I want to switch locations, I will just twist and mount the adapter to these locations with ease, and it will just attach to the adapter that fast. The adapter has strong magnets, so it will attach when you twist and lock it in the adapter. So no need to screw mounts, which is a hassle, especially when you are doing motovlogs or when you are traveling. You can attach the adapter to the selfie sticks, tripods, or any mounts with half an inch, or if it has a action camera type of mount. So when you buy this, you will get the connecting block which you will connect to the action cameras. Then you will get the screw to screw it to your connecting block and action cameras, so you can attach it to the mount adapter base. Then you have two adapters. One is for action camera base and one is a 1/4 inch which you can place on any locations on your maxi scooter or tripod or selfie stick. Now the magic comes when you want to switch places or when you want to switch the action camera to the different locations on my maxi scooter. You don't have to unscrew it and then screw it again to another location. What you will do is just have to twist it, then remove and switch locations, and just have to twist it again to a new location. It has a strong magnetic suction and you don't have to worry if the action camera will fall or will be removed without you noticing it. What I like about this magnetic mount adapter is there's no tedious removal of the action camera. Just a quick switch and twist to another mount or tripod. It's small enough and compact and easy to carry. The magnetic design makes this adapter quick to set up, fast installation, and easier to work with when switching mounting locations for different perspectives. I suggest buy 2 or 3 of these so you can get 4 or 6 mounting locations for your motorcycles, scooters, cars, or even tripods or action camera accessories like chesties, shoulder mounts, and similar mounting locations. You can get this at around $5 to $10 on online stores, or around 350 pesos to 500 pesos on Lazada or Shopee. So here are the example footages from different mounting locations on my maxi scooter using the Ulanzi magnetic quick release mount adapter.